Section 2, Section 14, Class 3. CIT versus Cochin Malabar Estate Industry Limited. Capital asset agriculture land. Land continues to be agriculture land to its revenue records. Located 20 kilometers away from the municipal corporation limit and cutting and carrying away rubber trees that did not change the classification of land from agriculture to non-agriculture land. Used by the buyer is not relevant by the assessee. That gain in the hands of assessee not eligible for assessee in a capital gains. What does it say? Assessee sold the agricultural land. As per the condition of MOA company, the assessee agreed to cut and carry away all the rubber trees on the said land in his own expense before sale. The land continued to be agricultural land in the revenue records and the land was located 20 kilometers away from the municipal corporation limit. The assessing officer held that with cutting and carrying out the rubber tree land became barren land and the barren land could not be treated as agriculture. The further KSIDC's due course of time upon the purchase of the assessee converted its land into industrial estate. Assessing officer assessed that gain on the sale of land is liable to capital gain tax. The tribunal held that the sale of agricultural land cannot be assessed as a capital gains. On appeal by the revenue land, the court held that the land is in question of located 20 kilometers away from the municipal corporation limit. SSC had demonstrated the classification of land continued to be agricultural land in the revenue records even on the date of sale. The land was put into use only for agriculture purpose by the assessee. The assessee could not be expected to have control over the activities of the buyer once transfer was completed. Cutting and carrying away of rubber trees did not change the classification of land from agriculture to non-agricultural land. Order of the tribunal was affirmative. So what is the client as a land? What is a land? Agricultural land. What was cultivated in it? Rubber plantation was cultivated in it. What happens? The assessee had sold the land. When selling the land was agricultural land. What did the buyer do? He did anything, he doesn't care. What he did, he cut the trees and sold it and converted into commercial property. So the capital gain on the tax, capital gain to be considered or not. Any sale of agricultural land is exempt to capital gain, right? There is a provision. So in that case, Malabar says the Kasasi says that I have the agricultural land, I sold the agricultural land, so it doesn't subject to capital gain. That's it.